Hello everyone, myself Monisha Acharya and I'm legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today I'm here to talk to you about the topic sacrifice of Nangeli, that is breast taxation law. Yes, basically before discussing this law, you would be thinking that what is this breast taxation law? So what I if I say that yes, the breast taxation law does exist in Indian history. We have heard about different type of taxes like income tax, GST tax, VAT tax, etc. But what if I say that women used to give the breast taxation also in Indian history? We are very proud Indian. We are always proud about the hierarchy and culture, everything of India. But what if we talk today about the darkest part of our independence era or of our India and Indian society? So basically, caste system in India had been the biggest problem in the era. In earlier time period, higher class people used to discriminate the lower class people with different methods. They used to harass the lower class people. We all have heard about the system and society where low class people were not allowed to enter the temple, were not allowed to drink the water from the lower from the society where high class people live, or they were not allowed to enter the high class people society by wearing sleepers. So basically, the history in early 1800s time period was time where discrimination was so high that they used to harass the lower class people. One horrifying part of this discrimination was the system of Malakarma, also known as breast taxation, that was lived on the women of lower caste and untouchable women if they want to cover their breast. In early 1800, monarch of the state Travancore, one of the 550 princely states that existed in British rule, known as State of Kerala now, imposed the breast tax to the women of the lower class and untouchable women. This was done in order to suppress them in society. This tax had harassed the women of that century. This taxation system went on till 1924. The tax officer used to go to each and every house where women reside or where a girl had reached her puberty to collect the breast tax. The women of the society were not allowed to cover their body upper part, and in order to cover their body parts, that is to cover their breast with clothes, they had to give the breast tax to the officer. The collector used to examine the size of the breast and then impose the proportionate of tax, which means bigger the size is more the tax and smaller the size is less the taxes. Yes, you have heard me right. What would have been the situation or mindset of that period women when they were facing such a humiliation? This was all done in order to humiliate the women of lower caste. Bare breasts served as an identifier for women belonging to the lower caste. It was said that especially the Nadar and Izawa caste women had to suffer from this type of taxation system. The tax had to be paid in exchange for removing this identifier as a sign of respect to the upper caste. So, in the frame, the sacrifice of Nangeli entered. In 1859, for the first time, woman named Nangeli got the courage to raise her voice against this tax system, and she decided she will not pay any such tax. So, without paying this ridiculous tax, she wore clothes. But the tax officer, after hearing this, went to her house and said her that she cannot break the laws and she have to pay the breast tax. Rejecting the humiliation and harassment, she cut off her breast and gave it to the officer. After that, due to excessive blood loss, she died at the night. And on next morning, her husband also jumped into the funeral pyre. After After which, people were so furious and angry that they started the revolt against this taxation system and did strikes, all the things. After which, this action put the levy of breast tax for a brief period. So, Nangili sacrifice did not went in vain, and in 1924, the king have to give the right to cover the upper part of the body to every woman of lower caste. This place is called by the name Mulla Chipar Parambu, meaning breast woman's plot, the land where woman breast lived now also. We need to say that Nangili's selfless act was the reason that people decide to raise their voice, and her sacrifice to end her life brought end to this taxation system and gave the dignity of woman, or you can say gave back the dignity of women of lower caste. So, as a citizen of India, are always proud of the hierarchy, culture, tradition, and religion of India. But there are many darkest part of the society rules of early period when we should about which we should be aware, and we should know about the sacrifice the woman like Nangili did in order to save the dignity of woman, and every generation people or citizen should value her sacrifice for the society. So I hope today you have understood what was breast taxation law and who was the woman Nangili. So for such more topics and facts, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do like, share and comment. Thank you.